are going to love the 2021 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.